What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is super impromptu. Apple and Epic's pretty high profile court dispute has got some decisions coming out. So here's a 9 to 5 Mac article. There's a lot of coverage going on about this, but I wanted to cover one pretty big development from it, and that is linked in here. I'm going to post this in the description, but basically Apple has to now allow developers to include external links in their app and metadata to take purchases. So previously, when apps like Netflix and Spotify would go ahead and try to put a link to subscribe to their services, Apple would basically boot them off the store saying, hey, you're trying to circumvent our in-app purchase system, so you got to play nice. Now the judge has basically ruled that that is not the case, and Apple has to allow for third-party devs to do this. Now this is particularly interesting because it opens up a major gate for people to go ahead and use their own billing and infra for payments. Now I might add also here, Epic did lose other accounts that they were basically charging Apple with. So things like being a monopoly, things like not having to pay the revenue share. I can't find exactly where it is in this article, but somewhere in here it does say that Apple needs to, or Epic needs to pay their revenue share per App Store guidelines, revenue in the amount of $12 million. So not surprised, Epic signed a contract when they became a Apple developer. And of course, Apple released a statement here as well that's noted. And of course, Apple did what Apple would be expected to do. The App Store supports millions of apps. They're the greatest company since, sliced bread. Which is pretty expected. Of course, their statement does not mention the count that was ruled against them, which is the fact that they have to allow for these third-party developer links. I'm going to link to this in the description down below, but I thought this was really fascinating. Obviously, a lot of eyes on this Epic versus Apple, amongst other court cases that are going on. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Generally, I haven't been posting many videos lately because I've been super busy with work and whatnot, but I've got some videos planned coming out pretty soon for all of you, so stay tuned for that as well. But I'm pretty pumped to hear some of this Apple stuff going into effect. I believe it's a 90-day injunction, but again, I'll link this down below. So drop a like on the video, hit subscribe if you're into iOS, and I'll see you guys in the next video coming out in the next few days. Thanks for watching.